Learn Hindi communication words. Suggestion to feedback with.
सुझाव,
And.
प्रतिक्रिया,
Welcome to the word circus. Hey, you are about to learn 8 super useful Hindi words without falling asleep on page 2. We will use a silly story, quick drills, and a few dramatic moments that deserve imaginary background music. Today your mission is to learn these English to Hindi words. Suggestion is.
सुझाव,
Recommendation is.
सिफारिश,
Warning is.
चेतावनी,
Criticism is.
आलोचना,
Praise is.
लोभ,
Complaint is.
शिकायत,
Request is.
अनुरोध,
And feedback is.
प्रतिक्रिया.
Yes, that is a full emotional buffet. First you politely ask, then someone warns you, then another person complains, and finally everybody gives feedback like they are judges on a talent show. A very normal meeting, obviously. Let us throw all the words into one chaotic office scene, because your brain loves drama almost as much as vocabulary. Imagine you walk into a meeting room. The manager says, "Do you have any suggestion?" You proudly reply, "Yes, I have a."
सुझाव,
Quote. Your coworker jumps in and says, "My
सिफारिश,
is to start early." Then the safety officer points at a broken chair and announces, "This is a."
चेतावनी,
Nobody sit there unless you want to meet the floor personally. The writer in the room cannot ignore the
आलोचना,
about his report, but luckily someone adds a little
लोभ,
and says, "At least the title was excellent." A customer arrives with a
शिकायत,
about the noise. Another person sends in
अनुरोध,
for new chairs, and by the end of the meeting everyone gives
प्रतिक्रिया.
like unpaid philosophers. Word by word, like a friendly drill sergeant. Now you will hear each word clearly with a tiny meaning boost. Repeat after me if you want to sound impressively organized in Hindi. Suggestion.
सुझाव,
A.
सुझाव,
Is a helpful idea, not a command. Example. She gave a good.
सुझाव,
Quote. Recommendation.
सिफारिश,
This is stronger than a casual idea, it feels like trusted guidance. Example. My
सिफारिश,
is Dr. Mehta. Warning.
चेतावनी,
This word tells you danger may be near. Example. This sign is a.
चेतावनी,
Quote. Criticism.
आलोचना,
It may sting a little, but it can help you improve. Example. Constructive.
आलोचना,
Helps people improve. Praise.
लोभ,
This is positive approval. Example. She smiled when she heard the.
लोभ,
Quote. Complaint.
शिकायत,
A.
शिकायत,
Points out a problem. Example. The manager listened to the.
शिकायत,
Carefully. Request.
अनुरोध,
This is a polite ask, often formal. Example. Please review my.
अनुरोध,
Quote. Feedback.
प्रतिक्रिया.
This is response plus evaluation. Example. Thank you for your.
प्रतिक्रिया.
Quote. Mini dialogue madness. You are going to hear short dialogues now. They are practical, and only slightly more dramatic than real life. A. I need advice. B. My.
सुझाव,
Is to start early. A. Which hotel should I choose? B. My.
सिफारिश,
Is the one near the station. A. What does that red sign mean? B. It means.
चेतावनी,
Be careful. A. Was the review positive? B. No, it was mostly.
आलोचना,
A. Your speech was amazing. B. Thank you for the.
लोभ,
A. I want to make a complaint. B. Please write your.
शिकायत,
Here. A. I have a request. B. Please say your.
अनुरोध,
A. Did they like the project? B. Yes, they gave useful.
प्रतिक्रिया.
Memory tricks that should probably not work, but do. Let us glue these words into your memory with images your brain will not forget. If your imagination is weird, perfect. Picture a giant light bulb over a desk labeled.
सुझाव.
A suggestion is a bright idea. Imagine a trusted librarian handing you a golden card marked.
सिफारिश.
That is a recommendation. See a huge flashing red sign yelling.
चेतावनी.
That is your warning. Imagine a page covered in red pen with the word.
आलोचना.
Ouch, that is criticism. Picture applause, flowers, and a trophy glowing with.
लोभ.
That is praise. See a grumpy but organized cat filing a.
शिकायत.
Because its milk was not cold enough. That is a complaint. Imagine someone politely holding out a letter marked.
अनुरोध.
That is a request. Finally, picture a comment card saying.
प्रतिक्रिया.
That is feedback, useful and sometimes a tiny bit painful. Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a rapid quiz. If you miss one, do not worry, that is called learning, not failure wearing a fake mustache. What is the Hindi word for suggestion?
सुझाव.
What is the Hindi word for recommendation?
सिफारिश.
What is the Hindi word for warning?
चेतावनी.
What is the Hindi word for criticism?
आलोचना.
What is the Hindi word for praise?
लोभ.
What is the Hindi word for complaint?
शिकायत.
What is the Hindi word for request?
अनुरोध.
What is the Hindi word for feedback?
प्रतिक्रिया.
Your tiny Hindi challenge. Now you do a little production practice. This is where the words stop being shy and start working for you. Say, I have a suggestion.
मेरे पास एक सुझाव है.
Say, I asked for a recommendation.
मैंने सिफारिश मांगी.
Say, this is a warning.
यह एक चेतावनी है.
Say, the criticism was helpful.
आलोचना मददगार थी.
Say, the teacher gave praise.
शिक्षक ने लोभ दिया.
Say, the complaint was serious.
शिकायत गंभीर थी.
Say, I sent a request yesterday.
मैंने कल अनुरोध भेजा.
Say, we need feedback.
हमें प्रतिक्रिया चाहिए.
Goodbye, but not a final goodbye. Nice work. You just survived a full set of communication words in Hindi and no chair related.
चेतावनी.
Was ignored in the process. Let us wrap up one last time. Suggestion is.
सुझाव.
Recommendation is.
सिफारिश.
Warning is.
चेतावनी.
Criticism is.
आलोचना.
Praise is.
लोभ.
Complaint is.
शिकायत.
Request is.
अनुरोध.
And feedback is.
प्रतिक्रिया.
Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, reuse them tomorrow, and give yourself a little.
लोभ.
For the effort.